Are you new to selling on eBay? I'm about to share with you what you should be selling on eBay to start making money next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to go over how to start making money on eBay, and the best way to go about doing that, and what you should be selling on eBay. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, things can change. Alright, but I'm making this video in December 2019 going into 2020, so I'm pretty sure this pretty much will stay consistent. But things that are super popular on eBay right now that are selling really good are like household goods, believe it or not. Like decor, you know what I mean, like bedspreads, like things for the bathroom, and like even kitchen accessories and stuff like that, spatulas and all kinds of stuff, like household stuff. I know you might be like, huh, that don't make sense, but it does. It's like, you can look it up. That is one of the most popular categories that make a lot of money and that people are selling items. So like household, what they call like decor, and accessories, right? Like I said, kitchen appliances, not appliances, but like kitchen stuff, dishes, spatulas, silverware, that actually sells good on eBay. Another category that sells big, which is kind of common sense, but electronics is huge. Anything with like a name brand, Samsung, Sony, any of those things, Apple, those are still selling like hotcakes on eBay, right? So that's something you definitely want to jump in. Another category is the fitness category. Anything fitness is selling pretty good. I don't say anything fitness is selling crazy, but the fitness niche is a great money maker on eBay. All right, a lot of people are making a lot of money just selling fitness stuff. And when I talk about fitness stuff, I'm talking about things like training stuff like resistance bands, golf, anything related to golf, any bowling bags, weightlifting stuff, you name it, fitness. There may be opportunity for you to make some money, right? So you might be watching this and like, yo, dude, I'm new to eBay. Like, what do I do? Now, traditionally, what people do is they go out and they find wholesalers, right? They find wholesale distributors. So hypothetically, if you're in the golf niche, you can find like golf clubs, hypothetically, and you can find like, I don't know, you could spend like $300 on like 5 golf clubs, and then you can sell each golf club for like $150. I just made that up, but that's how most people do it when they get into the game, right? And that's if you have a little bit of money to invest. But a smart thing to do, listen, is do garage selling. Go to garage sales, and this is how you can get a nice little inventory for dirt cheap, right? Dirt cheap. You can go, and not only just garage sales, because depending on where you at, whatever, but you can look on the Facebook classified sections on Facebook, and even Craigslist. You can find stuff, because a lot of times people just want to get rid of stuff, even on Facebook and stuff, so they're willing to basically give it away, or $5 for this, $10 for that, and then you could turn around, list it on eBay, right, and make 5 to 10 times what you paid for it. But I really do like garage sales because it's so easy to negotiate, with people. And something that was listed for $10, you can maybe work them down to 6, right? Get it, come home and sell it for 30. That's what a lot of people are doing, right? A lot of people are making money doing the whole garage selling thing. Gary Vaynerchuk, he's like big on that. He's a big YouTuber, entrepreneur dude. He's big on garage selling. But guys, if you want to do that, and you can literally stop doing, after this video, go out and try this. Go to a garage sale, or even look on Craigslist or something. But mainly garage sales, because if you're at a garage sale, all you need to do is have your phone, have your phone on, have it on eBay. So like when you're at a garage sale and you're just walking around and you're looking, and you pick up like a toy. Toys are very good too, by the way. I meant to say that. Toys. So you're looking at this toy, it looks like whatever to you. Look it up. Oh, it's a He-Man doll, blah blah blah. Just casually do it, because you don't want the garage sale people might be like, what you doing? What you doing? Or you can sell on eBay. Maybe I'll sell on eBay. You don't want all that. So just casually just look, or have your kid do it, or your girl, or your guy, or whoever. Have somebody just kind of casually be on their phone. You look up He-Man doll. You see that the garage sale people, they got it listed for $5. But you see it on eBay, it's like a collector's. People selling this for $30, $40. So now, you still don't even give them $5 for this doll. You go over to them, walk around a little bit, blah, 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 blah. Now, you go up to them. Hey, you want $5 for this He-Man doll, right? Yeah, we want $5 for it. Do this. Hit him with the chin rub. Say I give you $3. Dude gonna look at you. Most likely, you can be like, how about $4? You say, Alright, sounds good. Boom. Hit him with that $4. Take that He-Man doll home. Post it immediately on eBay. And that's how people are making money. So my last tip is just getting started. Like I said, you want to do a little bit of research to see what's you could do it before you go out garage selling. Just get an idea of what is selling good, so when you do go to these garage sales, you can actually know what you're looking for. You could literally go in like, okay, I'm looking for G.I. Joes, or I'm looking for Tickle Me Elmos, or this or that, or baseball cards, whatever. Do a little research. Take your eBay, take it serious, right? But I would recommend, when you go out there, to know, like I said, what you're looking for, and have a little bit of money. Maybe just save up, if you don't have it, like $50. Just take $50. You can even start with like 20, to be honest with you. But then go out garage selling for a couple hours, come back, and you should have like a little inventory. You'll have like a little box full of stuff for $50, and you could turn that $50 of stuff that you bought on eBay, you can easily turn it into $500. You know what I mean? So guys, I gave you something to run with. If you're watching this video and you're looking on, you're new to selling on eBay, this is where you can start. This is how you can start generating money on eBay today. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, because you see I'm always bringing that content. Until the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.